What's up, guys? Joseph the Realtor. I'm here at Prestige Property Group, and today is another vlog. Vlog number, who knows, because we're not keeping track. Today what are we doing today?
Everything. Bro.
You don't even know?
We're doing everything.
Okay, this vlog is going to be good. So if you're watching right now, seriously, stay tuned because we're doing reels at luxury listings that I just got. There's one listing in particular. I'm trying to get it. It's crazy. There's like a barn that they used to host weddings in attached to the property. I can't wait to show you that. But this is going to be a really cool vlog. Right now we're at the office. We got Chance. Try begging for food.
Sure is.
Chance, sit. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, sit. Say hi to the vlog. Oh. Go to your room. All right, he's good. Alexander, you want to be in the vlog?
Sure.
As you're chowing down? Show them what you're eating.
Well, it's basically gone, but low protein avocado toast.
Love it. What's your Instagram?
Realtor _ Alex with a Z at the end.
How do you like working for Prestige?
I love working here. Truly. You have a nice, good family environment. Everyone's always there, bouncing each other, ideas off of each other.
Bouncing each other.
Bouncing each other. Some of that too. No.
Come get bounced.
Listen, I'm not toxic, I'm broken, baby. Or maybe I'm just saying that. Kind of bad little thing من المغرب تستنى عليا. She knows where I'm staying at. قلت لها تيجي.
All right, guys. So we are in front of this house in Essex County. A client of mine is under contract with it. We did the home inspection, and the home inspection showed signs of water. And the seller was kind enough to let us in the house and bring in a company that I use for my properties called Quality First Basements. And they basically waterproof the basement, make sure everything's good. So we got an estimate to, and also a kind of like a advice on like how to make this basement more airtight and waterproof so that they can finish it down the line. So that's what we're gonna do right now. You guys wait in the car. Why don't you enjoy some drone B-roll of the house?
Love a boy, le vent back in the building. Viens chez moi, vas-y, oui, till the morning. Demain soir, on va tester ça. Après ça sera la dernière fois. Cause gotta focus on the vision, baby. Next year, I'll be on FIFA. I t'as kiffé that I'm tripping, baby.
All right, guys, so I'm at a listing appointment right now. This is the second time I'm here. This is a very cool listing because it's going to be the most expensive house sold in this undisclosed town in Bergen County. And I want to make myself stand out as all the realtors he's interviewing. So I'm bringing in the top appraiser from Bergen County. He does all the appraisals in Bergen County. I'm bringing him in. I'm paying for that appraisal. It's $1,500. I'm doing free media just so he gets an idea of what kind of content I'm doing to promote the property. And I'm also kind of like coming up with ideas on how to promote it with magazines and just really get this property out there. I'm gonna give you a drone footage of this house, not showing the street. Darren, make sure you don't show the street. Just get drone footage of this house. It's 15,000 square feet. And we're gonna do some B-roll, so enjoy that and wish me luck on this presentation. Hi. Yesterday was pretty crazy, and now this is a 2-day vlog. So, yesterday just the day got ahead, and we couldn't record, and we had to come back, and we had to do so many different things. So we're picking up where we left off, kind of. We're in the office the following day. This is my office. Check this out. It's like a little thing. It's from Infinite Objects. No, just puts me in a good mood. That's me. So the guy on this phone. And we have good news. We had a closing right here. We closed on this house in Paramus, 205 Homestead Road. I listed it for $1,550,000, and it closed for $1,725,000. Isn't that amazing? So now we have to kind of set up mailers, farm the area, let everybody know how awesome I am. And I can basically make room because I have so many deals under contract, I'm running out of space. What's up, blog? What's up, vlog fam? It's Joseph again, and we're about to list this property here, 2746 John F. Kennedy Boulevard in Jersey City, New Jersey. According to the zoning map, this is a R3 multi-unit mid-rise district with medical office on the bottom and 3 levels of living. It's a fantastic property to buy it, renovate it, have a medical office, or knock it down completely and build something absolutely bonkers and crazy for yourself. So we're gonna do, I guess, give a tour of like what an old school Jersey City property looks like. And there's a lot of historic Jersey City charm. A lot of historic Jersey City charm in this. Take a look. Take a look, bro. What the fuck? Paneling on me? How gorgeous. Wide hallways, parquet floors. Look at the fireplaces. Look at this fireplace. How stunning. Check out the marble over here. Look at the mirrors. What do you guys think of the mirrors?
Look at Speed Tour, bro.
Old school property. Look at this marble. Would you just look at it? Right here, this is a key renovated kitchen. And another reason why I love this property is because there's a shared driveway, which is an easement, half of a garage, and parking, which in Jersey City is impossible to find. So we're gonna do a reel right now. We're gonna make content for Instagram. We just did photos, floor plans. This is gonna go live very soon for 1,850,000, and maybe it sells, maybe it doesn't. It probably will though, because they hired me. Guys, couple things. A lot of things have been happening lately, and I've been so busy that this is like the 4th day that we didn't update the vlog. So let's update the vlog. We're doing a walkthrough. Check out this house.
Self-respect with some green eyes and that's suntan. Self-made, now you're self-paid with your own plans. Your family was so proud of you, لما تركتي البلاد baby. سلمي على السيد وسلمي على تيتا وسلمي على جاد أخوكي.
I have a lot of clients, high end, low end, medium price point. I'd say I average around $1.5 million, right? Clients who use me, whether they're buying a condo or a $5 million house, always end up winning. And the reason for that is I have a big radar as far as what the market is when it comes to condos, townhouses. I do commercial, I do residential, I do commercial leasing, I do luxury, I do everything. I do new construction. I technically have a minor specialty in everything, which helps me determine price and value of everything. So. Okay, the listing agent cut me off because we had to do the walkthrough, check all the heat. There's 9 zones in that house, so very excited. My buyer's closing tomorrow morning. We did the walkthrough today. Sorry, I just ran through the whole house. I'm dying. It's hot as hell. Congrats to the buyers. What a great house. We negotiated 400 grand off the price. So that's a huge accomplishment, because a lot of times when you have a buyer and a seller, and the buyer's realtor and the seller's realtor wants to sell it for top dollar, and sometimes when you're buying in a $4 million price point, the buyer's agent, which in this case was me, can be greedy and just say, oh, let's just make a deal, blah, blah. But I told my buyer to be patient and take our time with the negotiations, so that we ended up reducing the price all the way down to 3.9, saving my buyer $400,000, because I really don't take it lightly when somebody hires. Sorry, I'm dying, I'm out of breath. I'm also excited. For those watching, the commission check on this is like $80K. So in my eyes, earning that money is very important to me. So knowledge, experience, and negotiation saved my buyers $400,000. And I do think the house, we basically, I think we got such a good deal on it. It's stunning. So much land, he can expand it. He's nowhere near his permeable surface. Look at this land over here. This is huge. You guys already saw the area by the pool, but look at all this. He also owns all of this, which is insane. John, I'll see you, man. Thank you. All right. That was a listing agent. Great guy. John. Nice guy. But yeah, he owns all of this. He owns the house. He owns the pool in the back. There's so much freaking land. The house is gorgeous, beautifully landscaped. I mean, you can't build or buy this house for this price or anywhere near this price right now. So super excited for my buyers. And now we're going to do a reel showcasing me because I'm great. And yeah, super excited. And if this vlog was informative or you guys enjoyed watching it, stay tuned. Sorry it was like a 4-day vlog thing. It was a little long. But life lately has been very hectic because thank God to the YouTube community and other people like that. They're referring me a lot of business and I'm getting a lot of clientele. So I think it's because I always focus on doing the right thing. So I'm very blessed and I thank God for all the opportunity and business that comes my way. Look at the gate. It's got its own gate. Look, it's opening. How effing cool. My house is going to have a gate one day. On that note, hope you guys have a house with a gate one day too. And if you don't, but you can't afford it, call me.
Took her to dinner at Hamra, and one thing she kept telling me, she has very few friends.